Discover how to power your charity's financial management even without constant internet access. Let's dive into using Peachtree's offline capabilities to keep your nonprofit's finances on track first. Ensure you have Peachtree, now known as Sage 50, installed and activated on your computer. This is a one-time online process. Now open Peachtree without an internet connection. You will have full access to your company data. Start by accessing the chart of accounts. This is where you'll define your organization's income, expense, asset, and liability categories. Take some time to customize this list to reflect your specific reporting needs. Next, enter transactions through the general journal. Carefully input the date, account numbers, description of the transaction, and of course, the debit and credit amounts. Accuracy is key when working, so make sure it reflects the specific financial activity. You can even generate your financial reports. Run reports offline such as the profit and loss statement. Examine your income and expenses to see the financial performance of your organization over a certain period. You can also view your balance sheet. This will give you a snapshot of your assets, liabilities, and equity. Check the balances and ensure they make sense. After you're done with these processes, when you have internet, connect again. Sage 50 automatically synchronizes all the transactions and reports that you did when offline. By leveraging Peachtree's offline mode, your nonprofit can maintain meticulous financial records, regardless of internet availability, helping you focus on your mission.